Membrane switch is a collection of optical, mechanical, and electrical integration of a new type of electronic components, with waterproof, dustproof, prevent oil, prevent harmful gas erosion, stable and reliable performance, lightweight, small size, long life, convenient assembly, panel can be washed and the character is not damaged, rich color, beautiful and generous to the extent required. Membrane switch, sealed performance is good. Because the membrane switch is a kind of whole parts are sealed. The switch contacts are not affected by the interference of the external environment. Therefore, there is no need to worry about corrosion. It is not easy to produce oxidation, and it can also prevent dust pollution, so it can be applied in a variety of harsh environments. In addition, the service life of the membrane switch is long. It can generally reach more than 1 million times. Because the switch action is simple, and it is realized by the vertical direction of the elastic film. The rationality of the material selection also guarantees its long life. Generally speaking, membrane switch is an electronic component with multiple advantages, widely used in electronic communications, electronic measuring instruments, industrial control, medical equipment, automotive industry, smart toys, household appliances, and other fields.